Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and use coupons on Shein. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, first of all, go to your browser and go to search bar and type in shein.com, and here in this home section we are, right? So let's say we have received a coupons that we do have a lot. First of all, we're gonna go ahead and add a particular product to our cart, and we have added it to our cart. And now we're gonna tap on our cart. I can just keep it over here, and now we will have to tap on this checkout option, right? Go ahead, tap on this checkout, and it will show you all of this information including payment method, which here we're gonna scroll down and tap on this coupon code. Tap on it, and now we will be able to enter the coupon code that we have received or got or purchased or anything, and tap on this apply, which will simply apply the coupon code on our product that we are purchasing and simply give us a discount regarding that. And that is how you can do it. After you're done, you're gonna go back and simply continue with a particular checkout. Just remember, if you want to use it, you simply have to purchase something from Shein itself. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.